In the world of grounds maintenance, one name stands out from the rest: Land Pride. Based in Salina, Kansas, Land Pride has been a leader in the industry since 1986. Land Pride, a division of Great Plains Manufacturing, quickly gained recognition for their exceptional quality and innovation. In 2007, Land Pride formed a one-of-a-kind alliance with Kubota, allowing customers to finance tractor and implement packages. In 2016, Land Pride became a proud member of the Kubota family. Land Pride's performance-matched implements and attachments are designed to work seamlessly with Kubota equipment. In fact, Kubota and Land Pride engineers collaborate to ensure a match of horsepower, weight, and width. But these are more than just another implement on the back of your tractor. They're a symbol of quality craftsmanship, designed, fabricated, welded, and assembled in Kansas by hardworking members of our team who understand the value of dedication. These implements and attachments empower you to be truly productive. Whether you need grooming mowers, fertilizer spreaders, or post hole diggers, Land Pride offers a comprehensive range of tools to suit your specific needs. Land Pride products are renowned for their quality, reliability, and durability. In the 2023 NAEDA Dealer Survey, Land Pride's product and parts quality ranked ahead of the industry average. And to demonstrate our commitment to our customers, Land Pride offers an industry-leading 10-year limited warranty on chains and sprockets for our 12 Series tillers. With Land Pride's package financing options, you can easily acquire the tools you need to get the job done efficiently and affordably. Land Pride, the name you can trust for all your grounds maintenance needs.